Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the page so columns behave predictably. First, set margins and orientation. Make sure you're in print layout. Next, open layout columns and pick 2 or 3, or choose more columns to type exact widths. Once done, decide Apply to, Whole Document or This Point Forward. Choose This Point Forward when adding columns mid-document. You're actively changing flow now, so don't stop. Insert a sample paragraph to verify column breaks and spacing visually before continuing. Now you control how text moves between columns and why it matters. Good flow keeps readability. Insert column breaks where you want a forced jump. Use layout breaks column or Control plus Shift plus Enter. Then fine-tune each column's width and spacing. Try 0. 5. Spacing as a starting point and enable line between for clarity. Once content is laid out, select the multi-column text and choose More Columns Balance to equalize bottom lines. This removes awkward white space and keeps. To finish, inspect the last page and convert any sections back to single column if required. Layout columns 1 achieves that without deleting text. If content looks odd, reveal formatting marks so you can delete stray column or section breaks. Removing those usually restores flow. If things still misbehave, clear local formatting or copy the content into a fresh document to isolate corrupt styles. One key tip: anchored objects like images or tables often disrupt columns. Unlock or re-anchor them before reflowing text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.